Hello? Yeah, I'm on the road. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm on the way.
Yeah, please come fast. I'm waiting. Yeah, sure. Bye. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. So, this is your first time?
First time, yeah.
That's cool. Never tried? Like, not with anyone? Not with also with boyfriend?
No. Yours?
Actually, last time I did with my best friend.
Best friend.
Yeah.
Like, your real best friend?
Yeah, it's okay, yeah. It's 21st century, so चलता रहता है ये सब.
Yeah. So, you took everything?
Don't worry about that. It will be safe.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure. Trust me.
कुछ problem तो नहीं होगी?
ना कुछ भी नहीं. So, like, do you like hard or soft?
Actually, it's my first time, so I don't know much about it.
Give me your hand. Don't worry, I will handle it. Cool? Just don't worry. I can handle it. Be free. It's okay.
हाँ भाई बोल. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं यार. थोड़ा काम से बाहर आया हूँ. है कोई तो अर्जेंट काम. तुझे बाद में कॉल करता हूँ ना भाई. चल बाय. So, are you excited? Don't worry, just be comfortable. I think you will enjoy.
I want to.
So, let's start.
Yeah. I actually had to change.
Yeah, no problem. Too hot.
So let's start.
Yeah, we should. But
सर आपको कुछ चाहिए?
कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
पक्का कुछ नहीं चाहिए?
भाई कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
सर जाओ बाबा, कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
तुम कर क्या रहे हो?
अरे यार बॉटल ले रहा हूँ यार. Come on, chill. क्या हुआ?
I'm really sorry.
कुछ नहीं होता है. It's your first time. One more sip.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. One more sip.
Ew, it's so bad. And this was my first night, which went all good, safe, and happening. But it doesn't mean it'll go safe with everyone. Always remember, who you are with Are you safe? Because safety should be your first concern. And friends, please do not drink and drive, because this can happen with anyone.